Do you have a Google Analytics account but don't know what to do with that data? I'll tell you how to use it to improve your marketing. Website Analytics tracks the user activity on your site. It tells you what these people are doing on your site, where they came from, and how much time are they spending on each page. You need to know this information to improve your marketing. Here's why. Let's say you posted your blog links on Facebook and LinkedIn, and you wanted to know how many people read that blog. Well, Website Analytics not only can tell you how many people read each blog, it can also tell you how many people came from each platform. So now that you know how many people came from Facebook and what blog they read, wouldn't you post that kind of topic on Facebook? Doesn't this information help you make better marketing decisions? Let's take another example of an e-commerce site. You're getting a lot of traffic but not enough sales. People are coming to your site and abandoning their cart, and you don't know how to fix that. That's where Website Analytics can help you. Not only will you know who these people are who are abandoning the cart, you will also know where they are coming from. So you can decide not to market on those channels because the quality of traffic that is coming to your site is obviously not good enough. Google Analytics is a free tool that any business can use to look at their website analytics. It helps you optimize your marketing and make better marketing decisions. If you want to know how you can use Google Analytics to improve your marketing, get in touch with me.